So it's the 10th of June and we're doing knowledge questions with Danah Pinfield on shampoo and conditioning. So Danah, can you give me 2 examples of hair and scalp conditions, please?
Nets, they live in and they walk like from one head to another, and they're really contagious. But if like someone coming with nets, you'd refer them to a chemist for treatment.
Okay. Would you do the service?
No, you wouldn't be able to do the hair because obviously it's so contagious.
Right. Okay. And can you give me another example of perhaps a infection?
Psoriasis. It's not infectious, but you wouldn't do the hair if it was like open and weeping, but you could do the hair if it was just like on the surface.
If it was dry?
Yeah.
Okay. And where would your client go for advice on psoriasis?
To their GP.
Okay, brilliant, thank you. Right, we'll talk about the pH now. So the pH value of the hair and skin is 4.5 to 5.5. Can you tell me how the pH affects the hair shaft? So if we had a high pH, what would that do to the hair shaft?
It opens the cuticle, and the lower it is, it closes the cuticle.
Okay, so can you give me an example of a pH of perhaps a conditioner?
A 3.5?
3.5?
3.5?
Yep, brilliant, thank you. If you have hot water then, what does that do to the cuticle?
It opens the cuticle and cold water closes the cuticle.
Okay, so you should always finish your shampooing treatment
of cold water.
Excellent, thank you. Right, so if going on to products then, if we were going to use a lemon shampoo, what hair type would we be using it on?
You'd use it on oily hair, because if you used it on dry hair, it would just make the hair drier.
Okay, that's brilliant. And massage techniques, can you give me or tell me a little bit about each massage technique?
Effleurage is just rubbing it on the head.
Which do you use first? Effleurage? Do you use effleurage?
No, you use smoothing first.
Yeah, which is?
Effleurage.
Yeah, okay. Then give me an example of another movement.
Petrissage.
Yeah.
Which is rotation but slow.
Right.
And then you use rotary, but that's where you like rotate in small circles but slowly.
Okay, so that's the one that really washes the hair, yeah? Okay. So if we had somebody with a lot of product in, which movement would be the most likely to sort of get rid of that product? Excellent, okay. We need to rinse our products properly. What happens if we don't?
You'll leave product in the hair and obviously they won't get a good enough clean enough. They won't feel clean because all the product will still be there.
Okay, and what might that do to the scalp?
It will irritate the scalp.
Okay. If you were going to detangle the hair after your shampoo treatment, how would you do that?
From point to root.
Okay, why?
For comfort and to take care of the shaft.
Right, okay. And we give after care advice after our shampoo and conditioning treatment. Why do we do that?
So they're happy, so the client's happy and returns, and to keep a professional reputation.
Okay, brilliant, thank you.